Oh my God, viewers, this video is absolutely insane. This zombie-style AI film was generated in literally just one click. You can see these scenes yourself. Every single shot looks incredibly cinematic and realistic. And the best part? I created this entire video using Seedance 2.0. Okay viewers, without wasting any time, first of all, head over to YouTube. After opening YouTube, I want to show you an amazing channel called Epic AI Films. Once you open this channel, you can see that it already has around 84.9k subscribers. Now, if we talk about earnings, this channel is estimated to make around 5.4k per month, which clearly means the channel is fully monetized and performing extremely well. If we check the category section, you can see it falls under entertainment, and most of their videos have gained millions of views. Now, when I go to the videos section and click on popular, you can clearly see that many of these videos have crossed millions of views. So imagine this. If we also create a YouTube channel and upload these kinds of AI films consistently, we can also gain millions of views and potentially earn a huge amount of money from YouTube. You can see that this channel uploads zombie-themed videos, alien invasion videos, Dracula-style stories, survival films, and many other cinematic AI-generated concepts. Every topic feels unique and highly engaging. Okay viewers, now let me show you the master prompt that I already generated. You'll find this master prompt in my YouTube description or comment section. Simply copy it from there. Now, I simply copy the prompt and open ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, I click on the Generate button. As you can see, the AI immediately starts generating all the scenes automatically. And within just a few moments, all my cinematic prompts are completely ready. You can review all the scenes one by one. Every scene is highly engaging and designed to keep viewers watching till the end. After reviewing the prompts, simply copy all of them and create a separate document file where you can save every scene properly. Okay viewers, we have now opened a website called Higgsfield. And honestly, this website is one of my absolute favorites because right now it's one of the most trending and powerful AI tool platforms available online. The best thing about Higgsfield is that almost every single week they release brand new AI tools and features. And trust me viewers, I genuinely don't think there's any better website than this right now for AI creators and filmmakers. First, let me take you to the image section. As you can see, there are already tons of image models and advanced features available. You can explore them one by one depending on the type of content you want to create. Now similarly, let me move to the video section. And wow viewers, you can clearly see there are so many cinematic AI video models already available here as well. Not only that, audio tools and newly released AI features are also available on the platform. But today, my main focus is on Seedance 2.0 because right now, it is one of the most trending AI video generation models for creating cinematic adventure and zombie-style films. And the moment I click on it, boom! You can instantly see the interface in front of you. It literally says you can create videos in one click. And that is exactly what makes this tool so amazing. Okay viewers, you can upload images, videos, and even audio references here. That means you can create videos based on any reference or cinematic style you want. But today, I'm specifically creating zombie-style adventure scenes using text prompts inside Seedance 2.0. So, without wasting any time, I select Seedance 2.0 and copy my very first cinematic prompt. After copying the prompt, I simply paste it into the prompt box. Then, I set the timing, video ratio, cinematic quality, and all the required settings. Once everything is perfectly configured, I simply click on the Generate button. Okay viewers, as you can see, my very first AI video has now started generating. You only need a little patience because Seedance 2.0 may take around 1 minute to generate highly cinematic adventure scenes. But trust me viewers, the wait is absolutely worth it. And just boom! Oh my God viewers, my first video is now completely ready in a stunning cinematic style. You can clearly see how the zombies are running aggressively while the people are trying to escape from them. The craziest part is that the AI generated everything exactly according to my prompt. I simply copy the second cinematic prompt and paste it again into Seedance 2.0. After that, I adjust the timing, aspect ratio, and quality settings once again. Then I click on Generate for the second video. Again, you need a little patience because cinematic adventure scenes require a bit more rendering time. And then, boom! Oh my God, viewers, this second scene looks absolutely insane. You can see that the AI generated a dramatic hero scene where the character is trying to jump forward, but the moment he notices zombies in front of him, he instantly tries to move back in fear. I simply copy the next prompt and click on Generate again. As you can see, my third cinematic scene has also started generating. And within a short time, boom! My third video is now ready as well, and honestly, it looks like a real Hollywood action sequence. The hero suddenly shines a flashlight forward and instantly terrifying zombies appear from the darkness. Oh my God, viewers, this looks absolutely amazing. Now finally, I'll generate my fourth and fifth scenes as well, because by now you already understand almost the complete workflow of AI film generation using Seedance 2.0. So I simply copy another prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Then I repeat the same process for the final cinematic scene. As you can see, both of my last videos have now started generating. Again, you only need a little patience. And then, boom! Oh my God, viewers, both final videos are now fully ready. One scene includes military-style survival action, while the other features a giant, terrifying horned zombie monster. You can watch both scenes one by one and clearly see how cinematic, engaging, and powerful these AI-generated sequences really are. So viewers, Seedance 2.0 inside Higgsfield is honestly one of the best AI filmmaking tools currently available for storytelling, cinematic scenes, adventure content, zombie movies, and viral AI films. The results are right in front of you. Highly dramatic, ultra-realistic, cinematic, and extremely engaging. And the craziest part is that all of this was generated completely with AI in just a few clicks. Okay viewers, now if we talk about the upgrade plans, then right now there are amazing discounts available on Higgsfield. Let me show you quickly. If you want to purchase the Plus plan, you can get around 20% off. If you want the Ultra plan, there is approximately 23% off available. And if you want the Business plan, you can get up to 30% off on Higgsfield. And the best thing is that Seedance 2.0 is included in all three plans. Okay viewers, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new and exciting from it. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful and exciting idea. Till then, goodbye and take care.